Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going through 1.3 now. Refer to Fig 1.3 on population distribution and answer the questions that follow. Please, this is very important, guys. Population rank by province. You have to know what the population analysis is all about. This is population distribution, but it's showing by province. Which we have got Gauteng, we've got KZN, we've got Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Northwest Free State, and also Northern Cape. So what is important, guys, is you read to understand, you analyze this diagram, look at the numbers as well, the reason behind some of the provinces having more people as compared to other provinces. You have an idea of what are the reasons behind some province having more population as compared to the other ones. Okay, let's move on so that we do not waste time. Okay. So the first thing is define the term population distribution. What is population distribution? This is what the question is asking you. So population distribution is how people are spread across a geographical area. So how people are spread over a geographical area. So that's what population distribution is about, how people are spread over a geographical area. So it's a concept. You have to make sure that you get it right, okay? Identify the provinces with the smallest and the highest, okay? The one with the smallest, which one has got the smallest? The province that has got the, which one has got the smallest? Identify the province with the provinces with the smallest and the highest population. The smallest, obviously, that is your Northern Cape. Northern Cape. The one with the highest population, which one is it? That is your Gauteng province. That is your Gauteng province. That is your Gauteng province, okay? Then let's move on. Based on the graph, what is the total population of South Africa? What is the total population of South Africa? Based on the graph, what is the total population of South Africa? Which means now we are going to add everything. We are going to add everything, which means we have got our 14.27 plus 11.06 plus 6.51 plus 6.5 plus 5.78 plus 4.44 plus 3.85 plus 2.89 plus 1.21. So we are adding all the population from different provinces so that we know the population of South Africa. What is the answer there? Is equal to, so we have got 56.51 million. That's what we have according to this. 56.51 what? Million. That's what we have according to this. That's what we have, 56.1 million. Okay. With regard to the data from the graph, which province do you think has the highest number of young people? Which one do you think has got the highest number of young people? Obviously, we are likely to have more in Gauteng province. We are likely to have more in Gauteng province. In terms of the number of youngest people, we are likely to have more in the Gauteng province. We are likely to have more in the Gauteng province. Okay. Then what is the next question? In a paragraph of approximately 8 lines, discuss the physical factors that affect population distribution. The physical factors that affect population distribution, we are talking about maybe the gentle slopes, okay? Gentle slopes, of course. We are saying now people prefer gentle slopes where agriculture is possible. Of course, we are likely not to have people on steep slopes, okay? Where we have got gentle slopes, we have got more people. Steep slopes, okay, you're likely to have less people, okay? Why? Because on gentle slopes, people prefer gentle slope because agriculture is possible. It's also very easy to build. That's basically what we are talking about. So this is one point. We can also talk about water availability. I'll talk about water availability. Water availability. What do I mean by that? Think of the Egypt that we have today. People started farming along Nile River because of the Egypt that we have today is because of water that was in the Nile River, because people started off as farmers along the Nile River. So it is because of water, which is a physical water factor. water availability for farming and for other, and also as a basic need. So there was water available for farming. There was also grazing pastures for their animals. There was also fertile soils. So water availability, we are also talking about soil fertility is another one. Soil fertility. That's another factor. Soil fertility, that's another physical factor. Soil fertility, water available. We're talking about the steeper slope and gentle slopes. Of course, gentle allowing more people actually to settle as compared to the steep slope. We can also talk about the climate. People like, of course, moderate climates, not hot, it's not cold, it's somewhere in between. So those are some of the things that you can actually talk about, or availability of natural resources. So you can talk about that as well. So that forms part of 1.3, which means now we are done with this concept of population distribution. We have gone through the question. Please go through this. Repost, like, subscribe as well, so that I keep on giving you the best content. Thank you so much.